Hey guys, so we are heading to Astoria Park today. I'm super excited to share with you one of my favorite spots in Astoria. So let's check it out. Astoria Park is super accessible from the subway, from Times Square like I have up here, but even Herald Square or Union Square. All you have to do is take the NRW trains, Queensbound, to Astoria Boulevard, and then you take a nice quick walk from the station to the park and past some of the other recreational areas. So this park is 60 acres, so like pretty big, and it has so many things to do, like swimming pool, tennis courts, track, exercise machines for free, a skate park. It really has something for everyone. There's also a lot of parking if you want to drive, but like I said, the subway is just an easy way to get there, and it's nice to take a little walk. I really love how we walk under the Triborough and the Hellgate Bridge. In this park, it's just a really cool feature that a lot of other parks don't have. So here we are at the southwestern corner of Astoria Park. And you can already see the two bridges in the distance that we will walk under as we get deeper into the park further north. Car! Another car. Okay, let's head in. So we are going to head to the track and athletic fields. Let's go. I was really interested in the history of the park, and I found a bunch of information on the New York City Parks website, which I will link in the description below. I learned the park was once where many rich families lived in the 19th century, such as the Barclays and the Woolseys. Then, in the early 20th century, there was a strong public desire for a public park because of the rise in industry in Queens, especially on the waterfront. So in 1913, Astoria Park was created, and I'm so glad it was, because this is a real gem of the borough, and I am so glad that we are able to enjoy it. So you see, I have the Triborough behind me, which is now the RFK Bridge, whatever. And then I have the Hellgate now in front of me where I'm heading. So let's go. Astoria Park today. I love coming here during the sunset because it is so beautiful to see the views of the Triborough Bridge, the Hellgate Bridge, and the city skyline up until the Empire State Building. Thanks so much, guys, for watching this video, and be sure to like this video and comment what your favorite park is in New York City to go to, or in your neighborhood. Also, subscribe and hit the bell for all the latest updates on where I go next. Goodbye, park. See you next time.